Some places never let you leave. Some souls never move on. Welcome to Hotel for Elise, Monodestra Standard Edition, guarded by the spectral elevator tuck box, tilt a box, and the lenticular image awakens. Animated card back stir with unnatural motion. The court cards reveal characters trapped within the hotel's puzzle. Mono Sinistra Standard Edition. The spectral elevator reveals its keeper. With a tilt, he follows your movement, his gaze never leaving. Animated card backs breathe with life. The court cards expose more souls, but the truth lies deeper. Mono Sinistra Special Edition. Encased within the Infinity Mirror tuck box, infinite corridors unfold, reflecting the impossible geometry of Hotel for Elise. Foiled card backs shimmer like trapped light. Matte printed edges seal the deck in silence. Invisible ink hides its secrets. Monodestra Special Edition. Another infinity mirror, another hidden passage. Room numbers, fragments. Messages meant only for those who dare to look closer. To solve the mystery, you better possess with the collector's set the complete key to the hotel's final secret, the door key keychain, and the half-brick set awaits. Hotel for Elise playing cards.